Hey cat people! We give our cats food, shelter, and love, but are we giving them a life worth living? Keeping cats indoors is safest, but it's up to us to make their world exciting and fulfilling. When cats get bored, that's when you see shredded furniture aggression and health issues. These aren't bad cats, they're cats missing their mojo, asking for help. Enrichment isn't just about preventing problems, it's about unlocking your cat's true personality and building a powerful bond. Transform your home from a comfortable prison into a vibrant territory. Today I'll share 5 activities that will bring out your cat's playful side and transform their life. Let's talk about food, a topic near and dear to every cat owner's heart. We all want the best for our feline friends, and that includes ensuring they're not just fed, but also fulfilled. In the wild, cats are natural hunters. They have to hunt and stalk, using their instincts and intelligence to survive. They need to problem solve for every meal, figuring out how to catch their prey, a task that keeps their minds sharp and bodies active. This natural behavior is crucial for their physical and mental well-being. But what happens when we domesticate them? When we just hand them a bowl filled with readily available food, we're essentially removing a vital part of their natural routine. We rob them of that challenge, that sense of accomplishment that comes with the hunt. This can lead to boredom, overeating, and even behavioral issues. Enter puzzle feeders, a fantastic solution to bridge the gap between domestic life and a cat's natural instincts. These turn mealtime into a game, stimulating their minds and bodies in a way that a regular bowl simply can't. They're designed to make your cat work for their food, mimicking the effort they would expend in the wild. Start simple. A treat ball is a great introduction. These balls dispense food as your cat bats them around, encouraging activity and problem solving. Or a homemade egg carton puzzle. Simply place treats or kibble in the compartments and let your cat figure out how to get to them. As your cat gets the hang of it and starts to understand the concept of puzzle feeders, you can gradually increase the difficulty. Try more complex puzzles with sliders where they have to move pieces to reveal the food. And wheels, requiring them to use their paws and noses to rotate different sections and unlock their reward. No budget? No problem. You don't need to spend a fortune to provide your cat with mental stimulation. DIY with boxes. Cut holes in different sizes and hide treats inside, or toilet paper rolls. Fold one end, fill it with kibble, and fold the other end. Your cat will have a blast tearing it open to get to the food. Puzzle feeders slow down eating, which is a huge benefit for cats who tend to gulp down their food too quickly. This helps prevent digestive issues like vomiting and bloating, promoting a healthier and more comfortable mealtime experience. And they keep your cat's mind sharp, engaged, and stimulated, preventing boredom and promoting cognitive health. Think of it as a workout for their brain, a fun and engaging way to keep them mentally active and challenged. Like Sudoku for cats, it's a stimulating activity that provides a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. You're not just feeding them, you're providing them with enrichment, entertainment, and a sense of purpose. You're giving them a job and a sense of purpose, which can significantly improve their overall well-being and happiness. A cat with a job is a happy cat. A stimulated mind leads to a happier, more content feline companion. Shift your view of mealtime from a simple chore to an opportunity for enrichment, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your cat. And you'll see your cat's confidence and curiosity soar as they engage with these stimulating feeders. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your cat's mojo, providing them with the mental and physical stimulation they need to thrive in an indoor environment. Now let's get physical. It's time to transform your living space into a stimulating playground for your feline friend. We're diving into the world of DIY obstacle courses, a fantastic way to enrich your cat's life and tap into their natural instincts. Cats are built for leaping. It's in their DNA. They possess an innate ability to jump incredible heights and distances with grace and precision. This inherent athleticism needs an outlet, a stage upon which they can showcase their skills. Climbing, it's another fundamental aspect of feline behavior. In the wild, cats climb trees to survey their territory, escape predators, and stalk prey. Providing climbing opportunities indoors satisfies this primal urge, and exploring, cats are naturally curious creatures. They thrive on discovering new environments and investigating every nook and cranny. A stimulating environment is crucial for their mental well-being. But most homes are flat and boring, offering little to engage a cat's active mind and body. A lack of stimulation can lead to boredom, destructive behavior, and even depression in our feline companions. Bring back their vertical world with DIY obstacle courses. It's a simple yet effective way to transform your home into a feline paradise, catering to their natural instincts and providing endless hours of entertainment. Use boxes, those humble cardboard containers that cats adore. They're perfect for creating tunnels, hideaways, and jumping platforms. Chairs, strategically placed, can become stepping stones in your cat's obstacle course, encouraging them to leap and navigate different heights, and shelves to create paths and perches. Wall-mounted shelves are a fantastic way to expand your cat's vertical territory, providing them with vantage points to survey their kingdom. Cardboard boxes become caves, offering a sense of security and privacy where your cat can retreat and relax. Tunnels, providing a fun and engaging way for your cat to explore and satisfy their natural instinct to crawl and hide. And launch pads, giving your cat the perfect boost for their next daring leap. Think vertically. Utilize the height of your rooms to create a multi-dimensional playground. Cat trees, those multi-tiered structures that provide endless climbing and perching opportunities. Anchored shelves, securely mounted to the wall, offering a safe and stable climbing route. And bookcases are your friends, providing both storage and climbing opportunities for your feline companion. Lure your cat through the course with a wand toy, enticing them to explore and engage with the new environment, or treats, rewarding them for their curiosity and encouraging them to navigate the obstacle course. Change things up every few days to keep it interesting and prevent boredom. To keep it fresh, a constantly evolving environment will keep your cat engaged and stimulated. Obstacle courses encourage exercise, helping your cat stay active and burn off excess energy. Help maintain a healthy weight, preventing obesity and related health problems, and keep joints limber, promoting flexibility and reducing the risk of arthritis as they age. Navigating new spaces challenges their mind, stimulating their cognitive abilities and keeping them mentally sharp, and builds confidence, empowering them to explore their environment with assurance. You're not forcing tricks, you're inviting your cat to be a cat, allowing them to express their natural behaviors in a safe and stimulating environment. When you see them leap and explore, you're witnessing the joy of a cat fully engaged with its environment. You're witnessing pure feline joy, a testament to the power of environmental enrichment. Be the architect of their happiness. Create a space where they can thrive, explore, and express their inner feline. The laser pointer. Cat classic. It's a simple device, but it holds a world of fascination for our feline friends. The allure of that dancing red dot is undeniable, sparking their curiosity and igniting their inner hunter. That red dot taps into your cat's prey drive, awakening instincts that have been honed over generations. It triggers a primal urge to stalk, chase, and capture, even in the comfort of your living room. You'll see their eyes narrow, their bodies tense, and their focus sharpen as they prepare to pounce, turning them into an athlete in seconds. Watch as they transform from a lounging house cat into a nimble acrobat, leaping over furniture and scaling walls in pursuit of their elusive target. The laser pointer unleashes a burst of energy and agility you might not have known they possessed. It's a fantastic workout, providing much-needed exercise for indoor cats who may not have the opportunity to roam freely outside. This activity helps to keep their muscles toned and their minds engaged, burning energy and keeping them fit. A good laser pointer session can help prevent obesity and related health problems, ensuring your cat stays happy and healthy for years to come. It's a fun and engaging way to promote their physical well-being. But here's the catch. There's a crucial element to consider when using a laser pointer with your cat. It's not just about the chase, it's about the satisfaction of the hunt. Cats need closure. They need to feel like they've actually caught their prey. Otherwise, the experience can leave them feeling frustrated and unfulfilled. The laser gives them the chase, stimulating their hunting instincts and providing a thrilling pursuit. They stalk, they pounce, they give it their all, but never the catch. The elusive red dot always remains just out of reach, leaving them with a sense of incompleteness. This can lead to anxiety and obsessive behaviors if not addressed properly. Always end a session thoughtfully, ensuring your cat feels a sense of accomplishment. Don't just abruptly stop the game, leaving them hanging. By leading the dot to a real toy, a tangible object they can sink their claws into. This could be a stuffed mouse, a feather wand, or any other favorite toy. Let them pounce, allowing them to finally capture something real after the exciting chase. This provides a crucial sense of satisfaction and closure. Bite, giving them the opportunity to engage their natural instincts fully. Let them feel the texture of the toy in their mouth and experience the thrill of the kill. And kill it. This final act of simulated hunting is essential for their mental and emotional well-being. It allows them to express their natural behaviors in a safe and controlled environment. Then reward them with a treat, further reinforcing the positive association with the hunt and providing a delicious conclusion to their efforts. To complete the hunt, the treat serves as a final reward, solidifying the feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction. This satisfies their instincts, leaving them feeling content, relaxed, and fulfilled. They've successfully completed the hunting sequence, from the initial chase to the final reward, and prevents frustration or anxiety. By providing closure to the hunt, you're ensuring that the laser pointer remains a positive and enriching experience for your feline companion. Use the laser pointer as a tool for enrichment, enhancing their environment and providing mental stimulation. It's more than just a game. It's an opportunity to engage their natural instincts and promote their overall well-being. Not just entertainment. Think of it as a way to tap into their inner wildcat, providing them with a safe and controlled outlet for their natural behaviors. Guide the chase, leading the laser dot in a way that mimics natural prey movements. Make it dart and weave, hide and reappear, challenging your cat's hunting skills. Provide a physical target, ensuring they have something tangible to focus on and ultimately capture. This is crucial for providing that all-important sense of closure. And reward the victory. Celebrate their successful hunt with a treat and plenty of praise, reinforcing the positive association with the game. Respect your cat's instincts, understanding that their desire to hunt is a fundamental part of who they are. The laser pointer, when used responsibly, can be a valuable tool for satisfying these instincts in a safe and enriching way. And the laser pointer becomes a powerful enrichment tool. It's a way to connect with your cat on a deeper level, understanding their needs and providing them with an outlet for their natural behaviors. Play smart, being mindful of your cat's needs and ensuring that the laser pointer session is always a positive and fulfilling experience. And your cat will love every second. They'll relish the opportunity to chase, pounce, and kill, feeling a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction with each successful hunt. It's more than a game. It's a chance to tap into their primal instincts and provide them with a stimulating and enriching experience. It's a simulated hunt. By understanding your cat's needs and using the laser pointer responsibly, you can transform a simple game into a powerful tool for enrichment and bonding. Let's bring the outside world in. For indoor cats, a window is more than glass. It's cat TV. Birds, squirrels, and passing cars provide endless entertainment and mental stimulation. But your cat needs access. Set up a sturdy window perch or catio. A comfy perch gives them a safe spot to watch the world and bask in the sun. Enhance the view with a bird feeder or bath outside the window. Sunbathing isn't just cozy. It helps regulate body temperature and boosts mood. A window perch fights boredom, reduces stress, and gives your cat a sense of territory. Place perches at the best views and sunniest spots. For a curious cat, being a spectator is essential enrichment. It's a simple upgrade that transforms their world. Why limit the hunt to puzzle feeders? Turn your whole house into a hunting ground with hide-and-seek treats. Hide treats or kibble in easy spots at first, on a chair at the base of a cat tree. As your cat learns, make it trickier. Inside boxes, on shelves, under rugs. This game exercises their body and mind, encouraging exploration and problem-solving. It transforms your home into a landscape of possibilities. You'll see your cat patrolling with purpose, not anxiety. Hide treats in new areas to build confidence, especially for shy cats. Use high-value, smelly treats and watch their foraging instincts come alive. The reward is in the discovery as much as the food. Hide-and-seek isn't just feeding, it's fulfilling. There you have it, 5 ways to bring your indoor cat's mojo roaring back to life. These activities honor your cat's wild spirit and deepen your bond. Every cat is unique, truly. So experiment and see what excites yours. Trust your instincts and enjoy the process of discovery. What are your favorite enrichment ideas? Share in the comments. Let's build a community of cat guardians dedicated to happy, fulfilled cats. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on unlocking your cat's true potential.